This is Jedi's for Jesus. Today we're going to go ahead and show you the remodel of our bathroom. So going to go ahead and show you right now how it looked when we first started our remodel. And then we're going to go ahead and show you the progress through it took. Bible-believing Christian. If you want to find the truth, that is where you look. So this is something that shouldn't have took as long as it did, because we ran into some problems. And you know, some of the pictures that you just saw, it's like, okay, that was the middle of the remodel. And then we came into a problem with the shower fixture, of how it was going to be delivered, and you know, my wife's going to explain all that to you.
So Bob wanted me to tell you a little bit about our, I want to say, troubles or difficulties in this small remodel that I thought it was going to be a small remodel in the bathroom. It took probably from the beginning of ordering things to the completion about 2 months, where it should have taken maybe 2 weeks.
Yeah.
We ordered the products we needed, which included shower panels, fixtures, toilet, sink, paint, all of those wonderful things just to brighten up your bathroom. At the beginning, I had called Lowe's and asked them if they had anybody there that could help me order the correct items. So all I would do is order it, it would be delivered here, and that our handyman would be able to assemble everything. But it did not work that way. I was told basically that they would only do the same thing that I would do by going online. So I went online and I ordered what I believed was the correct thing.
Yeah.
Everything came except the shower panels. Our handyman prepped everything and took out the old fixture, put sheetrock in, everything. And again and again and again, there was a delay over those panels. Finally, I found out by calling the vendor that they were sent to the wrong distribution for Lowe's. I'm just going to cut through this long story. Finally, we got to a manager of the plumbing department. She was able to look at what we had ordered. She tells us that is not what we needed. So we asked her, well, what do we need? So they returned what we ordered, what we had still not received, and she ordered exactly what we needed. Now I've cut out all the headaches that I had being on the phone over and over and over again and being told, we'll contact you tomorrow. And of course, I was getting very irritated.
Yeah, let me, that Lowe's did something wonderful for us. The fixture that we had in there, they gave us it for half off. And you want to mention the price or anything like that? Nah?
No,
okay.
But it was over $1,000.
Yeah.
But I just want to say, yes, I got very agitated. But then, just like we've said before, don't ask for patience, because God will give you something to be patient about. During that time when I didn't have a shower, I had to go over to my daughter's and use their shower during the week. So in a way, that was a blessing, because I got to spend more time with her and the grandkids. So anytime that something irritates you, you can look at it two ways. Like the enemy is coming after you. Maybe he was, to see if I'd lose my cool. So during this period of time, as I said, I always told them it wasn't their fault. But being someone that worked in retail for many years and working with customers, you always wanted to make the customer happy and do the best that you could. So through this process, I kind of found out that customer service is not the way that it used to be.
No, and I just wanted to say, it's like, you know, my wife was going over to her daughter's house, take a shower there, and it's like, we have another bathroom that is like, it's one of those tub shower, and you got to lift your leg over, and it's like, and I'm going to work and stuff like that, and you know, I need to take a shower here and there, and it's like, I don't have time to go over to our daughter's house and take a shower there. So what I wound up doing is like, just take it in the bathtub shower thing, and it's like, and the reason my wife didn't go in there, because like she's got knee problems and gonna have to have knee replacement. So it's like, she tried it once and no, forget it. It's like, and especially if I wasn't home or something like that, and something would happen to her. So it was a very inconvenience for her, but it would have been even a more inconvenience for me, because it's like, you know, I have a limited amount of time due to working so much.
So that's our drama with that. But again, you can take it as a blessing or as a negative.
Yeah, because we saved some money.
So there you go. Now we have money for the next part of our remodel in our home, which will probably be the kitchen.
Yeah, and we'll probably show how that goes too, and hopefully it goes a lot smoother.
Well, we know a lot more about how to order things, how to get to the right person, and we found a wonderful handyman that is willing to do whatever, and that will be coming up next year, the next part of our remodel in our home. But I just wanted to thank you for watching and listening, and just take it on me that I get irritated, I get upset, but you just got to step away, take a deep breath and say, okay, God, did I do okay? Did I honor you in what I said? So I always try to remember that God's listening to everything that I say to whoever I'm talking to. And I might be the only person, either in person or on the phone, that they may hear a little bit of Jesus coming out. Be kind. I might get very upset when I get off the phone and then have to ask God to forgive me. But the experience taught us patience, taught us at the end that God blessed us by not spending all the money that we thought we were. So again, it is done, and I hope you can see how pleased we are with the end result.
So now, without saying anything else, we're going to go ahead and show you how the bathroom looks. Whether you're watching on your smart device or your computer, please, on the bottom, please leave a comment. It really helps out our channel. Thank you. Subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. So we finally got our bathroom done. We got a nice story about it. There's the new floor. Got some nice carpets on there. Brand new toilet. The rack on the wall there. Nice new shower. Nice new light. Medicine cabinet. And there I am. So we have the towel racks there, and then that switch right there. Probably wondering where the music is coming from. Back of the door, a hook there, nicely painted. Where that music is coming from, that's Bluetooth. Right up there. It's a fan, you can play music, and shade lights. Look at that. All different colors of lights. So this is our completed, remodeled bathroom. And of course, the fan. Well, after watching the remodel of our bathroom, hopefully this project, the kitchen, is going to be a lot more smoother, and we're going to have videos linked up right over here about that in the future. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.